What's up, guys? Check this out. So today, about to be going through all these change for Wheaties, silvers. Hopefully we can find silver dimes or mercury dimes or silver quarters or wartime nickels or old nickels, anything like that. 1909 VDBs, all kinds of that stuff. Got a couple coins right there. So yeah, this is what we got. We're gonna go through it. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Man, that's a Wheatie. That's a Wheatie right there. We got a wheat penny. 1957 Demper. Sweet, got a Wheatie. I'll take it. Man, we got a lot of quarters. Dimes, nickels, and pennies. Look, oh, this is a ran over penny. Can't tell what day it is. It's all beat up. I'll take it. Put that aside. Yeah. Got a bunch of dimes, quarters, pennies, and nickels. Is that an old nickel? 1964. Philly. Oh, that's a beat up quarter. 2006 Nevada State quarter. Denver. Silver State. 1864. I'll take it. Right? Nah. I don't see any Wheaties. W quarters. What's that? It's just a penny that's been ran over. Oh, look. It's a crack. Nah. We have a whole lot of change, guys. What is that? 2020? Is that an S? To Denver. So close. Alright. Yeah. Let's count this change up. But we got a couple coins. We have a car wash token. Found out on the ground. That's worth $1. Take it. That's awesome. Got a car wash token. It's worth $1. And a Mexican Pesos coin. 10 Diaz Pesos coin from 2012. Mexican Pesos right there. 10 Diaz Pesos, 2012. I'll take it. I'll keep it. I found it on the ground. We got a beat up penny. Alright. Spin the street in a wheat penny. 1957 Denver. I'll take it. Alright, so I got all the change situated. We had $6.50 in quarters. $1.50 in dimes. 70 cents in nickels. And 45 cents in pennies, or 50 cents. So yeah, we have $6.50. That's $8. $1.70. $9.15. That's almost $10 that I found. Look at all that. We got all that change. There's quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. That's a lot. I ran over penny. Keep it. Spin the street. And a wee penny from 1957 Denver. Wash token, that's worth $1. And Diaz Pesos coin from 2012, $10. We'll keep it. Mexican Pesos. Right. What a good haul, but I didn't find any wheat pennies, W quarters, wartime nickels, old nickels, 1909 VDBs, old Wheatie pennies, or silver dimes or mercury dimes somewhere around. No W quarters, no S quarters. That's all the change. Wheat penny, ran over penny, polish token, and 10 Diaz Pesos, Mexican Pesos from 2012. I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed.